Hello everyone, nice to meet you again. This is Sydney Suresh from Australia. Today's video is a product review. I am publishing public videos every day in various topics, 3D videos in English, travel videos in 2D and 3D, Tamil and English, product review in Tamil and English, and popular hot topics in Tamil and English. Thank you. Please watch full video. You will get a lot of useful informations. This product is a Liatrax C30B robot vacuum cleaner. Before going to this product review, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and give it a like and share it and comment on it in the comment box. Every like and comment will be appreciated for my YouTube channel. Thank you. This Liatrax C30B robot vacuum cleaner. The brand Liatrax is owned by Liatrax Robotics CmbH, a leading German technology enterprise that designs and builds consumer robots. This C30B co-cleaning robot, vacuuming and mopping, automatic self-charging, slim design, Wi-Fi app, strong suction, 5000 Pascal, used for carpet and hard floors. The cost of the product is around 203 US dollars. It is a discounted price or 16,000 rupees or 273 Australian dollars plus shipment cost. It's available in Amazon and AliExpress. I did the purchase through AliExpress with the discounted price during the special sale. Part of this product review, I will do unboxing the product. Very good packaging, 2 layers of protective cardboards. Outer one is thick and inner one is thinner with handle. Manual with multiple languages including English. C30B robot. Electric water dispenser unit, including 350 milliliter water tank and microfiber towel. Charging adapter. Remote controller with no battery. Cleaning tool. Robot charging station. Spare microfiber towel. Australian plug. Spare filter. 4 side brushes, left and right. Box completely empty. Electric water dispenser unit, including 350 milliliter water tank and microfiber towel. Assembling the robot takes only 20 seconds. Robot remote operations.
Auto cleaning. Schedule confirmed. charge. Start charging.
Now we will check the features. Advanced map navigation technology allows the robot to detect the whole house and build up a real-time cleaning route map, clean in good order from one room to another in more efficient way. The help from Japanese intelligent chip and various sensors. Robot vacuum cleaner 5000 Pascal big suction and low noise for deeply wet and dry cleaning, sweeping, mopping. Brushless motor imported from Japan. V-shaped twinkling proof central brush and intelligent water tank. Later, this robot vacuum is connected with the Wi-Fi app. Click smartphone to control the cleaning. Remote distance control works with the Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Smart vacuum 6 cleaning models: mopping, zigzag cleaning, border cleaning, fixed point cleaning, supplementary cleaning, and the last one scheduled time cleaning. Rechargeable vacuum cleaner, one-time charging, last 100 minutes to finish a house with a size of 170 to 220 square meters. Intelligent sensor, different environment flows and adjust its directions with 10 milliseconds. Apply to different floors: low hard carpet within height of 1 centimeter, hardwood ceramic tiles from house, hotel rooms and office. It comes with the 250 milliampere hour lithium battery with LG chips. Large 600 milliliter dustbin with the primary filter and HEPA filter. 350 ml electric water tank, effectively in removing stains, and easy to adjust water infiltration of an electric water tank at 3 levels: high, medium and low. The absorbent cotton of the mop protects the floor, wipe away dust and stains effectively. Comes with the anti-collision. Infrared sensors will detect the barriers in front and avoid collision in time to protect your furniture. Anti-fall. The ground sensor will detect stairs over 3.15 inch. Then the vacuum robot will adjust its directions to avoid falling. Twinkling proof. This robot can free itself if the side brushes get wrapped by wire or other objects. Easy climbing the threshold. The resilient wheels makes the robot vacuum climb across the threshold less than 0.59 inch or 1.5 centimeter in height. We have come to the end of the session. Hope you like this product. If you decided to buy the product, do some research, check the price. It can vary from time to time, and buy through online because the only option currently available. If you like the product, please share to your friends and family. Thank you.